Many unnecessary apps are automatically launched when the computer is turned on. This can slow down the computer. We can increase computer speed by closing unnecessary apps to speed up Windows 10 PC. Here we try to learn how to stop unnecessary apps from starting automatically when you turn on your computer. Let's begin. First step. Open Settings. Then Privacy. On the left, choose Background Apps. Here are all the apps are running in background. For turn off, click here. Then close it. Second step. Press Windows and R key. Type gpedit.msc and click OK button. Local Group Policy editor will be open. On the left, click Administrative Template and then click Windows Component and then App Privacy. After that, right click on it, choose Edit. A pop-up window will be open. Here, choose Enable and then choose Force Deny and click OK button. That's it. I hope it will work. Thanks for watching.